Oh, you see Mickey up there? On the billboard, the Mickey Mouse with us. Juniper, who are we gonna go see at EPCOT?
Yeah.
You gonna see Mickey and Pluto and Chip and Dale? We're just saying EPCOT and Mickey and Minnie.
EPCOT?
EPCOT. Good job holding onto the railing. Made it to EPCOT. All right, we went to guest relations. Dan's annual pass is activated, and now we can finally go into EPCOT. Yay! So excited to go to EPCOT, baby! Yay! We're all very, very hungry and ready for lunch, dunch, as Dan called it, at Garden Grill. We are on the dining plan this trip, though we'll definitely be using that today. We're gonna go see some characters, Mickey and Pluto and Chip and Dale. And should be a great day. Like you said, sounds of EPCOT.
She's got her hands on the...
She got the daisy, I think.
All right.
You can go this way. We're here in my happy place for attendance. So exciting.
Yeah, I'll go this way.
Yeah.
You're going on, you're going on the way to sit on the floor. That's where the food is.
And some good AC.
Yeah. The lamps on it?
Yeah, it's gonna rotate slowly. And we're gonna meet Farmer Mickey and Chip and Dale and Pluto. Hopefully.
That's cool.
You blow a kiss? Blow a kiss? Oh, yes, she does. Thank you. Bye. One time. I think it was breakfast, too. I don't even know if it was...
breakfast. You can do it the more moves, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Got my Diet Coke, Sprite, and our drinks are on the way. Juniper's doing her own autograph. Good job. Citrus free.
That's good.
You can try it. What'd you get? The Goose Island IPA?
Yeah.
What you doing? Hi, Pluto! Oh my gosh, Chip's coming too? Let's go for one.
Say hi, Juniper. Yeah. I got a bunch. Perfect.
Yay, thank you so much, Pluto.
Thanks, Pluto.
Oh, you got a heart. Bye. Wow. Oh. High five. Ciao, yay. You want to give him a hug? Oh. Thank you, Pluto. Bye. Bye-bye.
Say bye, Pluto. Oh. Who it is?
We'll come back.
Who is that?
You're so excited.
Yay.
She loves you, Mickey Mouse. Mickey. You holding his hand? Oh, he gave you a kiss. Oh. Okay, let's take a picture. Say cheese.
Cheese. Juniper. Ah, yeah, good girl. Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mickey.
Oh. You love Mickey so much. Yay! Yes, he wants to meet your friend Chip too. Yeah. We love you so much, Mickey Mouse. Bye. Bye-bye,
Thank
Mickey.
you. Bye,
Wow.
Mickey. Juniper. I think we got it. Yeah. She's
Oh, he kissed your hand. He loves you. Bye-bye, Dale. You want some food? Have some mac and cheese?
Oh, you love Chip.
Hi, Chip.
There's Chip.
Oh, did we lose Chip? No.
Say hi, Chip. Yeah, look at all your friends on your picture.
He's got a chocolate chip nose. That's him right there. You want to take a picture with Chip? Here, hold this down.
Juniper. Hi, DCG. Oh, good girl. Perfect.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Chip.
Oh, you like her shoes. He likes her shoes. Yeah, those are so cute. You want a hug? You're so cute. Bye-bye, Chip. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Chip.
Bye, Mickey.
Thank you, Mickey. Thank you.
Currently eating lunch above Living with the Land. Did you get a dirt dessert? You said wow when they set it down. You still drawing? Oh, don't draw on it, honey. And then we got strawberry shortcake. Delicious. Oh,
Hey, dig it in.
did you kiss Mickey? Oh. I don't know if you should hug it, but okay. Okay, kiss it.
You can eat it.
Oh, thank you. You can eat it. It's chocolate. Thank you, Pluto. Thank you so much. Say bye, Pluto.
Good job.
You love Pluto.
Thanks, Pluto. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye. This is your dada.
Did you introduce Pluto to your dada? It was like, Pluto, that's my dada. Oh, yeah, Mickey is over there, honey.
Mickey's over there, baby.
Did you have fun? Yeah? Who was your favorite? Did you like? I know we're gonna go on Living in the Land next. Do you want to, or did you like Mickey, Pluto, Chip, or Dale the best?
Yeah.
Chip or Dale?
Yeah.
Dale was your favorite?
Mama.
Okay.
Right.
Are you ready to go on a ride?
Hey, Mama.
You mama.
Okay, I'll get you out.
Dada.
You ready to go on a ride?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. A little ride, girl.
Bye.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, we're gonna go on Living with the Land. We'll see you later, Mickey.
Thanks, Mickey.
We had such a delicious and fun lunch. at Garden Grill.
Good job.
I don't know if it's worth the money out of pocket, but with the dining plan, it was great.
It's good. Very good.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Food was all tasty. Juniper loved the characters. They kept coming around over and over and over. So we just had a super fun time. Now we're gonna go on Living with the Land because Juniper kept going, ride. You ready to go on the ride?
Yeah, Mama.
Oh, hold on.
Okay.
I am not sure. I think you just touch it.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
you can eat it.
Row number 4.
Yeah, roll number 4. Juniper, look at Mama.
Look at Mama. Is the ride coming?
Yeah, come on. Juniper, look at Mama.
Right. She is a magician. Excited for the ride?
Yeah, who's my face?
I know. Do you remember that Moana's boat was out here last time?
Hello.
Yeah. It's not here
Welcome to
anymore,
our
though.
living laboratory, where scientists from EPCOT and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce powerful harvests now and into the future. Source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions.
What, baby? Here's the fishies.
When we mention farming, you probably don't think of fish. While there are more than 50,000 edible plant species in the world, most of us are only familiar with a handful that make up our everyday diet. The common grains.
There you go. We're all walking. Somewhat. Ooh, the heat.
Doing okay, Juniper?
We're just gonna go to that ride right over there. Excited for a new ride?
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something.
You see the sharks? Are we looking at the fishies? Hi, fishy. Walk over. Oh, he's swimming away. Hi, fishy. Oh, he came back. This is our Juniper. Whoa. He's cool looking. He just looked right at you. What you doing, babe? You see him? They're eating lettuce. Say hi, manatees.
Get in.
What do you see? Oops, sorry, honey. Those are really cool. What's in this one? Anything? I don't know. Living with the land and the seas with Nemo and friends were both super fun. I don't know if she loved the seas. I don't personally like the seas because the EAC I literally have to close my eyes the whole time because it makes me very motion sick. But we had fun walking around the aquarium after. I think she likes the aquarium better than the ride. Plus we got stuck at the end with the starfish that would not stop talking. But now we're gonna head over to Communicore Hall, see what's going on with Goofy's summer in there. Maybe grab a drink for Dan. Because I think they had that little stand. I don't know if that was just for like Festival of the Holidays or if it's always open.
Yeah,
so maybe we'll swing around there and see if they have any drinks. And then we'll go in Communicore Hall for some good AC. Although it's not that hot right now because the summer storms are probably rolling in. But it's all good. Having a great day. So they do have Grabbing Goose. They have a seasonal beer. Yeah.
Maybe it's orange blossom.
You want to ask?
It's gonna be on the.
It's also seasonal beer.
It's great.
Oh, on that. Which one was it? The yellow, orange one?
The orange one.
All right. She fell asleep while we were in line for the Goofies. I had bought this thinking she would try it, but that's not going to happen. So, very blue raspberry. Want to try?
Sure. That's really good though.
Yeah, it's definitely a drink up your alley.
Yeah.
And I got a Diet Coke. And what did you get?
They had like a honey tea nectar mead or something like that. Peach tea mead, I think.
Nice.
Honey mead, yeah. It's really good. Different. I took a picture of the tap handle.
Yeah. We're just sitting out here because it is shaded right now from the clouds.
It was good.
It's not that hot out. Dan's got a fan on. I gotta get my Mickey fan out. She's got a fan on her.
Oh, that's way cooler now.
Yeah, we're all chilling. Our room is ready. Oh, also, over in this little section. So we have Spaceship Earth, the flight things, this whole little middle section. We're at this big table. There's a charging port right behind Dan. And we forgot all of our chargers.
We were in such a rush.
Yeah.
We had to drop our bags off and just get moving, and I didn't grab anything.
And I had what was in my fanny pack from the flight, which was one charger brick, which I used half of it on the flight, which good thing I did. But half of it was left, so we plugged that in instead of our phones. That way we can charge that and use it for our phones. So should be good until we get back to the room. I have the bare essentials today. Everything Juniper needs we have, but missing a few things. We're not used to that. It's hard to get in and then immediately head to the park without if we would have had the room to go to.
I'm usually much better prepared.
Yeah, you didn't have your bag packed.
I usually pack my crossbody ahead of time so I can just grab it and go, but I have been working up every day up to this trip and just been busy. So
yeah,
even the last day was just.
I was prepared.
So
I had a whole
sick.
bag of stuff that I literally remembered to grab out of the suitcase and bring with me, but it didn't have an extra charger. It didn't have, I think it has one poncho in it. So if it starts raining, I guess it's every man for themselves between one poncho.
Here's the beer.
Here's the beer. But yeah, having a great day. I'm so happy she just fell asleep. Plenty of time to get to our frozen late lane. I'm sure she won't nap that long, but even just to get something in her, I'll be happy. So, yay! Sleeping Beauty.
Yeah.
Not Sleeping Beauty.
Favorite Disney princess or prince? Are you Moana? That's a good Moana. Ryan, you're the Little Mermaid. Raven.
You wanna get out?
Oh, you're Aurora.
Mommy.
You want to get
You
out?
feel like that was gonna be my second. There's 3 people that did amazing. 3 people. The first person, I want everybody to make some noise for Brian right over there. Ryan, raise your hand. No lip singing, no Britney Spears. Let me hear you. I wish. I could be. Right, but I keep coming back to the water every time. I don't know why.
Yeah, I see.
This is what Moana did in the movie. Come on.
I know.
Go around.
Well, everybody, let me hear you. Let me hear you.
You want to go see Goofy?
It calls me. And no one knows, they don't know.
Raven up there.
You want to go see Goofy?
Yeah. Come on, y'all. You sound good.
It's Goofy. I don't know.
Okay, real quick. Everybody
wanna
on
dance?
this side, make some noise for yourself. Everybody on this side. Do y'all have Disney Plus? Yeah, okay. I didn't hear y'all sing. Let me see if they know this. Let me see if they know this. Let me see if they know this. They better know this.
Droopy
They
dance.
better know this right here.
Wanna dance?
This is Winnie a Buzz. Here we go.
Hi, babe.
Much better, much better. Keep it going. Kids, I know what the problem is. It's these grown-ups. That's what it is.
Good.
Grown-ups, you better not be on the dance floor. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to get off the dance floor.
Droopy, gotta go,
You're
babe.
on your own.
4, 3, 2,
She's
Bye.
coming with
1.
us.
Kids, look at me, look at me. Who's somebody we don't talk about here at Disney World?
Bruno.
Bruno.
Let me try that again. Who's somebody we don't talk about? Bruno. We like Bruno Mars. I'm talking about Encanto. Right? Let me see the choreography. Let me see it. Something like Lewis from Princess in the Frog.
Oh,
Are you
Goofy.
playing something or eating sandwich?
go see Goofy.
We got another one. You
Go find him.
You're Taylor Swift. You're Joe Jonas. You're Elvis Presley. Play that guitar. Play that guitar. You know what, Goofy? You're our leader. You're our leader. Yeah.
Where are you going?
That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Okay, everybody, please. Everybody
Where's
sit
Juniper?
down.
Where are you going?
Sit down. Let's cross applesauce.
Yes, it is.
Are you ready to go on go?
Yeah.
I'm frozen.
Time to go.
Time to go. I'm frozen. Oh, butterfly. You can put your arms up. Go down the hill. We'll see if that actually happens. Usually she looks like but we don't have Ka with us today. It's just Mama and Dada. Look at this line. Oh my gosh. Holy guacamole, that's a long line. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. Man, the line is long today. Alright. Are you ready, Juniper?
You ready, chicken noodle?
Hopefully. Juniper, what'd you think? Did you have fun? Yay! Did you see Go?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you wave hi?
Bye. Bye.
Can't wait to see the picture. I got soaked. Did you get soaked? Juniper, did you get soaked? Did you get wet? Did you get wet? Did you have fun? Did you see Go? Yeah. You waved hi. And Mama held your hand up so you could say you put your arms up? Yeah. She might be questioning that judgment now. But at home, she always puts her arms up when we watch on the vlog, so. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Is there anything you saw in here you really wanted to get, babe? Ruby, what about over here, babe?
There you go, whatever that is.
Do you like Bruni? He's so cute. Is that what you want to get? Olaf? You're gonna get both of those?
Oh my god. Those are too little. Those are for big girls.
What's the age on it?
I know, you have Go.
Do you think that's too small?
You can sleep with the stuffies.
Oh, if the arms broke off, you think?
Oh yeah. This little thing right here, she chewed on that?
You can't get that, honey. Dada said
A
no.
little bit. And a little bit. But right now you can get the stuffies you picked out. That is cute. That's very nice.
Go.
Yeah?
Kristoff. Man.
I'm sure you point them all out.
That's too small too, babe. What about Anna? Do you want to get an Anna dolly like this one? Or no?
It's already having really, really nice. Everything she points out. Choking hazard, small parts. And we're at the stage where everything goes in her mouth.
I know. She
She
threw
went
him.
right up to him and then she grabbed him. You already have one of those.
Alright, I don't know if there's anything you can get,
I gotta
babe.
make sure there's stuff we can pack.
Oh.
That's a big fluffy.
Is that who you want? No? I know. You already have that at home, honey.
You have that, baby.
You do.
Yeah. All right, good luck with all. Do you see anything else you want to get? Droopy.
What about the Anna? No?
Back for your home.
About the box.
Well, I know, but still. What about this little guy? He's cute.
Checking the price. I think the Olaf's cute.
He's 0+.
Well, if you're willing to bring big Olaf home,
I don't know how much. Like little Olaf or big Olaf?
it's okay.
Do you actually like big Olaf, or is he going to be another one that just sits? Because you sleep with Go that we got here.
You have okay. You have that
You
Go.
have Go. Yeah, I know she's here. This is where we got her from.
We got her at Magic Kingdom, but you have her, honey. We're not getting another
Likes
Elsa.
it so much.
I know. She's
You
in
already
the, she's
have
at the
it.
hotel waiting for us, babe.
Oh, you brought her?
I brought both baby Yodas. Oh my god, Juniper, no. Okay. Do you want the big Olaf?
Yeah.
Big Olaf or little Olaf?
We decided on Bruni. We're gonna save some of the money for later. She saw the Elsa that she already has and sleeps with every night. And it's at the hotel.
Oh, he's down. Got her own stuff, little miss.
We're gonna get Bruni because she can't comprehend that we can't get another Elsa.
Just have like 40 Elsas in our room.
Yeah. 40 Elsas, 40 baby Yodas. Gotta draw the line somewhere. Gonna try Regal Eagle for dinner. Yeah. We are at Regal Eagle. We're gonna go to the UK, but there's no inside seating over there for the quick service, so we can Regal Eagle because we can be inside. The food took forever to come up, and everything we ordered was apparently not available. So, but we're here. We're gonna eat dinner. Here's all of our food. What you want, babe? You want some fries?
You need a French fry? I don't know if they're hot. Let me check. You're okay.
Fries? Yummy. Yummy. And you just drank some water.
Your shirt did.
She got some in her too. So they gave us double order of the ribs, sausage, mac and cheese for the side, French fries, and then the half chicken, Kansas City chicken. Yep. Yeah. Bon appetit, Juniper. Friends, cheers.
She just wanted it.
Cheers. Oh, sorry, Dada. Those good fries. We are heading out of the park. Juniper wants to be carried. So, guess I'm testing out my strength for Lookout Key, the pier. I've made it so far from Japan and we're in the UK. So, we're getting there. We did look up a minivan cost. It was $42 from the beach club. That's a lot of money. And she's happy as long as she's held, so hopefully at some point she might let me switch her off to Dan.
Yeah. Want me to carry you?
But I'm doing okay. We just gotta get to the front of the park.
Want to go back to the stroller?
No, it's okay. I gotcha. She just wants to see and be out and about, huh? And look at all the things. So, gonna head back to Fort Wilderness. Still gotta get our golf cart. Still gotta get to our cabin. Get everything situated. Still so excited. Woo! Yay! You dancing?
Mama.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Oh, no.